Whenever Oracle drops a major version release, it's pretty much a watershed moment for the IT industry, right? It literally redefines how we handle data at scale. So today, in this explainer, we're unpacking the highly anticipated Oracle 23c beta release. If you're a DBA, a cloud architect, or working in IT ops, grab a seat. We're going to synthesize the core architecture and the real, practical takeaways you absolutely need to know about this major leap forward.
Let's take a quick look at our agenda. First, we'll cover the actual arrival of 23c. Then, we're looking at how it powers converged database applications, followed by a deep dive into its innovative architecture and features. And finally, I'll show you exactly how you can join the beta. Let's get into it.
All right, Section 1, the Oracle 23c arrival.
So this incredibly dense tech announcement officially dropped back in October 2022, right on the main stage at Oracle Cloud World. And listen, this wasn't just some standard corporate formality. It was a clear, massive signal to the enterprise market that Oracle is seriously pushing the boundaries of cloud and data operations. Let's cut through the noise, though, and look at exactly what's actually being delivered to practitioners like us on the ground.
Moving right along to Section 2, powering converged database applications.
Now, our source material explicitly anchors 23c as the latest evolution of Oracle's leading converged database architecture. And that phrase, converged database, is absolutely central here. Think about it. Instead of forcing your IT teams to manage this fragmented nightmare of specialized, single-purpose databases, this release engineers all of those diverse capabilities under one single, unified umbrella. It's all about simplification, but totally without sacrificing any power.
This perfectly illustrates the ultimate goal here: assisting specific professionals with their most intense workloads. If you're a developer, the focus is squarely on building next-generation, mission-critical applications that literally cannot fail. For analysts, the system is completely tuned for high-performance operational tasks. Getting those insights without hitting annoying bottlenecks. And for DBAs, it's all about managing these massive analytical workloads seamlessly. 23c really aims to be the unified engine for all three of these groups.
Okay, Section 3, innovative architecture and features. This is the fun stuff.
Here is where the engineering truly shines. We're talking JSON relational duality and real-time SQL plan management. JSON relational duality is, honestly, a massive operational shift. It basically allows developers to use the flexible document-style formats they already love, while the database maintains the rigorous, secure structure of a relational database right under the hood. You literally get the best of both worlds. Couple that with real-time SQL plan management, which dynamically fixes poor execution plans without a human DBA ever having to intervene, and you are looking at dramatically reduced administrative overhead. But wait, the feature set expands even further, with true cache and real-time property graph analysis. Think about what this means for your daily operations. You no longer have to move operational data to a totally separate, specialized graph database just to map complex relationships, like fraud detection or social networks. It happens right there, natively. Paired with TrueCache, which effortlessly creates middle-tier caches to speed up application reads, these features represent a serious commitment to real-world agility. And finally, rounding out this incredibly robust upgrade is the native replication of database shards. For IT operations managing global, highly distributed applications, native shard replication is an absolute game-changer. It delivers much higher availability, way better fault tolerance, and a significantly smoother path to scaling your data architecture horizontally to meet global demand.
Which brings us to Section 4, how to join the beta. So eligible customers and partners can quickly secure access to this beta program in just 3 simple steps. First, submit your recruitment form. It goes straight to the Oracle Beta Programs team for review. And here's the vital part for all you IT architects out there. Once you're approved, access is global and highly flexible. You can get your hands on these cutting-edge features whether you are strictly on premises or deploying in the cloud. It gives you the exact environment you need to test these capabilities against your actual day-to-day workloads.
To wrap up this explainer, I want to leave you with a thought regarding your own future operational workloads. What next-generation, mission-critical application will you build with Oracle 23c? With a converged architecture bridging relational structure and JSON flexibility, the tools for real-time analysis and distributed scale are officially on the table. The only question now is how your IT teams will actually harness them to innovate.